Nokia, the most trusted phone brand, is back with a bang. If you're looking for a mind-blowing 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, Nokia has just dropped an absolute beast for you. This powerhouse comes with a 200-megapixel DSLR camera and monster Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, all of this at an unbelievable price. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about the all-new Nokia Turbo Pro 2025. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this phone, stick around till the end, because in this video, we'll reveal its fully leaked specs, price, and launch date. Let's dive in. Features of Nokia Turbo Pro 2025. Display. This beast flaunts a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 1.5K resolution, making every frame pop. That's not all, it also packs a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, for buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. And yes, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 rating for that extra durability. Camera setup. Get ready to capture stunning, ultra-detailed shots with its triple camera setup. The star of the show, a 200-megapixel primary sensor. Plus, it's backed by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, a crisp 32-megapixel front camera, that'll make your Instagram game stronger than ever. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is a beast. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Whether it's hardcore gaming, multitasking, or heavy-duty apps, this phone handles everything like a champ. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery capacity. No more battery anxiety. The Nokia Turbo Pro 2025 packs a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support, with USB Type-C port. Say goodbye to charging breaks. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much does it cost? Well, the expected price is around $799, which is a steal for these specs. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it might drop by the end of this year.